Welcome to Session 2 of the YouthMappers QGIS Workshop Series. In this session, I'm going to give a brief introduction to what toolbars and panels are and how you can use them when working in QGIS. When you open up QGIS, you'll be presented with this screen, as we covered in the last video. On the left-hand side, you should have two panels that open up automatically, the Browser panel and the Layers panel. If they aren't already up on your screen, I will show you how to add them. A quick background first. The Browser panel is a great tool that allows you to browse, search, inspect, copy, and load a variety of QGIS resources. Only resources that QGIS knows how to handle will be shown in this Browser panel. You can also drag and drop many QGIS resources, such as project files, scripts, data layers, and models, into your map canvas. The Browser panel is organized as an expandable hierarchy. A lot can be accomplished from using the Browser panel. You can add vector, raster, mesh layers to your map by double-clicking, dragging, or right-clicking and adding to your screen. You can run Python scripts by double-clicking or dragging them onto the map canvas. You can run models, or you can open files. The Browser panel is also customizable by the user. For example, you can add various folders to the favorites column to make them easily accessible. If you scroll down, there's also a variety of other sources and connections, such as Spatial Light, PostGIS, and etc., that allows you to make connections with those outside servers to QGIS. Down here, you'll find the Layers panel. This panel lists all of the layers in the project that you are currently working on, and in this area you can manage their visibility, or you can reorder the layer. When you change the ordering of layers in the panel, you are assigning a hierarchy of visibility to them. Layers listed near the top of the legend or the layers panel are drawn over the layers that are listed lower down in the legend. When you're working a map, you'll typically have an order of point layers at the top, then line layers, and then polygon layers. This type of ordering allows you to make sure that all of your data layers are going to be visible. For example, if you had a point layer of bus stops in New York City and you had a polygon layer of the boundaries of New York City, if you moved the polygon layer above the point layer, you wouldn't be able to see the points on the map. In the next sessions, I will show you more in depth of what this means and how it looks. There are many other options for how to customize your panels. At the top, if you click View and scroll down to Panels and Toolbars, you'll be able to select and deselect various options. For the panel section, if I wanted to add, let's say, the Statistics panel, I will click on it and it will appear on the left-hand side. If I wanted to close it out, I can click this X here at the top, or you could go back into View and Panels and deselect it over here. A variety of toolbars are available at the top. These toolbars are categorized by functions. Using these two lines of dots, you can drag and drop the toolbars to customize where you want them to be, depending on maybe how you want to organize them or which ones you use most often. You can also add new toolbars by going to View, scrolling down until you hit Toolbars, and adding or deselecting toolbars. So I can unselect this one and the toolbar disappeared from here. If you install plugins, the tools related to the plugins are also available here. For example, I have installed the plugin Quick OSM, which allows you to pull data from OSM directly into QGIS. So the plugin for that is included here. Thanks so much for watching session 2 of the YouthMappers QGIS workshop series. In the next session, we are going to discuss the various ways that you can add data.